Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to do an anti-haul. I haven't done one since like March or something like that. I really wanted to do this video before going makeup shopping. I'm finally going today after literally since the beginning of the year, probably even the end of last year that I haven't gone properly makeup shopping. Like I've grabbed a few things here and there, you know, to like refill my favorites, but it hasn't been anything crazy. I'm moving to the side so that you guys can have the screen of what I'm actually looking at the moment right with me. So Fenty, yes, God, oh my God, I am so obsessed with Fenty at the moment, and this is calling my name already. New shade. I have been wanting to try the gloss bombs for so long. I might have to pick them up today. Should I do it? Okay, so they're $19 each, non-sticky formula, super shiny. I wish I didn't have so many filters on it, but I get it. It's the aesthetic. I would really love one of those. Thank you very much. Coming to Trend Mood box. Oh, this is the Trend Mood box. I don't really like to keep up with any boxes, really, so we're just gonna skip over that. This is a Bratz thing. Makeup Revolution times Brat. This is super gimmicky. I only buy collections that I truly really want to try, like the Animal Crossing one. I was all over that one. I really wanted to have the Barbie collection and also the Lizzie McGuire collection, but they all look so similar to the Animal Crossing stuff that I was just like, I couldn't justify it. I do have a full face of ColourPop coming up soon, very soon. I picked out the things that I really wanted to try. Next we have I Want This, and I think it released today. This is the new collection Candy Skies by Laura Lee Los Angeles. Look, I know I said I was done supporting influencer makeup, but I really like Erin. Erin's so cute. She's so pretty. Not just that, she looks like such a kind person. In this palette, I kid you not, it calls my attention so much. I think it's because I don't have any pastel palettes. This looks like a really good one. So I think right after this video, I might pick this up. The bundle is $45. No. The bundle is $59. It comes with a palette and 2 glosses. So yeah. Oh, there's more pictures to swipe on. Like, look how gorgeous this palette looks. Yeah, and those are the glosses. Like, the Hello Kitty actually looks a lot different than the Barbie, and the Animal Crossing, like the ones that I mentioned already. But I'm not going to. I don't need full collections of anything. So, like, if anything, I have been trying so hard to kind of like just narrow down my collection to things that I really like. I have been giving away makeup like crazy to my friends and family. Yeah, I don't want to fill up my drawers again. It's just I don't have space for it anymore. I'm still in love with makeup the same way, but it's just I want to be a little bit more conservative about it. Okay, so let's just keep looking. There's nothing wrong with looking at the collections, you know. The blushes look insane. I love this yellow palette. They all look so pretty. Look at that. Are you kidding? They look so good. e.l.f. is coming out with the putty bronzers. I don't know how I feel about that. Again, I have a full face of e.l.f. coming up. I had filmed that, but the audio was crazy, and I'm just gonna film it again, and hopefully it goes better this time. But now I have a new product to try out for bronzer. This is BH Cosmetics, NYX. NYX has been taunting me lately. Like, the products that they've been coming out with look really good. Apparently something new is coming with Kylie Cosmetics. I don't know what is going on with that brand. I know it has something to do with a lawsuit. I don't really know. The peach scent. Oh my God. I don't need this. No, I don't need it. But it sounds amazing. It smells like peach iced tea. I don't need this. I still have my full jar of this. Not full, but it's still pretty good. I'm just scrolling through. This is what I do every time. If anything catches my attention, then I stop. But if it doesn't, then I just keep going. Okay, the Glamlight times Michaela makeup palette. This is another pastel palette. Well, actually, I should probably pick up this palette instead of the Laura Lee. What do you guys think? This video is going to go up today, the day that I'm filming it. So you guys let me know. I probably still haven't purchased the Laura Lee one, even though I really want to. Please comment down below, should I get the Glamlight times Michaela palette or should I get the Laura Lee? You guys tell me. I would love to support Michaela. Hopefully it's not sold out because she is like viral right now. But let's keep looking at the collection. She has a highlight, she has 3 glosses, and she has 2 custom lashes, which they look amazing. But I mostly want the palette. That's what I'm after. And the packaging, look at the packaging. So cute. I'm just scrolling. Nothing's catching my eye. Except for this. Okay, someone came in my chat when I was live and they were like, are you getting the Patrick Ta palette? And I was like, no, I have a lot of, you know, bronzy shades. I don't think I need another one, but I've been wanting to try Patrick Ta's makeup for a while now, and this palette looks so luxurious and beautiful and rich and just, it looks amazing. So I'm picking it up. This is one thing that is not for question. And then the packaging is just everything. Look at these beautiful ladies. Yeah, but it's $68. $68. Okay, we have another look at the palette. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Nothing's catching my attention. These are by Natasha Denona. They're liquid blush serums. So they're actually supposed to be like skincare infused in there. So I don't think I'm gonna pick them up, but they look really cute. Okay, and the Divine Blush collection, I need these 2 shades. They are on my radar, but the mall that I'm going to, it says that this shade and this shade. So of course the 2 shades that I really wanted to pick up, they are not available for pickup, but I need them immediately in my life. And I think they are sold out online as well, both of those shades. And the other ones look similar to something I already own, so I wanted the 2 brightest shades. Hopefully they have them in stock again. I haven't looked in a couple days, but yes, the ones that I'm really interested in is Electric Bloom right here, and then I think it's, no, it's this one, Paradise Venus. I'm not seeing anything else. Here we go. The Zendo palette. I need this palette. I saw the Zendo palette last Saturday on my feed and I'm just like, wow, this is such a beautiful palette. And I just need it. I don't need it, but I want it. That looks cute. Kiko Milano. I feel like I say this every single time I do an anti-haul. I need to try Kiko Milano. Like their packaging, just the way that they do their makeup just looks so different and it looks so cool. Like this is so simple. It just fills me with joy. You know, look at that. They have no reason to do that, but they do. It's an experience and I love it. I'm here for it. That's it. I think the rest I have seen from my last anti-haul. This still looks so good. So good. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need any of this. I don't need any of this. But I am going makeup shopping. I'm glad I did this. I don't think I'm missing out on much. I didn't see too many new things that I want. I will be making a haul of all the things that I pick up today. But thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out tremendously. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye.